So over the weekend I got the exhaust done, and I've got to say I love it. The sound is so much more like a V8. The guy that did the install actually told me when I went to pick it up, he handed me the keys and he was like, look, I know you want to hear it first, and then we'll come in and settle everything up. But I went out there and I was like, so how's it sound, before I'd even started it? And he was like, we'll just say it doesn't sound like a 6-cylinder anymore. And I started it, and it is exactly the sound that I wanted. I do have some videos of a cold start before and a cold start after, as well as a couple pulls after the exhaust went on, as well as one of the exterior of the car right after I left the exhaust shop. So enjoy everything, and there'll be more content to come. Please don't forget, if you like the videos, just hit that like button and smash that subscribe. Thanks.